What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. We're going to talk today about a keyword that I'm going to give you for free. Reason being, even though my VA manager has my new 40,000 word book, a 280 page book that's going to hit Amazon within a day, I'm just waiting for the paperback version to finish uploading the manuscript. And with KDB print, it's literally taking a freaking hour after 5 tries. So if this doesn't finish by the time I'm done recording this video, my VA is going to have to get the paperback through. But anyway, to kill time, I'm just going to give you guys a free keyword. It's not super profitable, but it's definitely profitable if you're able to play it and if you're able to get visibility for it. So all it really is books about bats for kids. It's going to be nonfiction, it's going to be a children's book, and it's going to be more so illustration-based than text-based. So, first off, how the hell did I come up with this keyword? It was really simple. I was just playing around, again, to kill time while waiting for my paperback to finish uploading on KDP. I typed books about, and then once I typed books about, see how I get these auto-populated results about what's being searched and presumably bought for. And I could have chosen other ones, but I decided, hey, I didn't want to look at books about death for children. I don't care about puberty for girls. I'll wait for them to turn 18. I'll just look at books about bats for kids out of my own curiosity. So that's how I stumbled upon this. And right away, if you were to take a look at this page, and look at the bestseller rankings, sells super well in all of Amazon. The first book does. Second book, only 3 reviews, sells, one copy every 2 days, which is, not bad. I mean, it's profitable. If you whip something out like this that's 28 pages, you're gonna hit ROI in a month, maybe a month and a half. This one only had 25 reviews, so given though it's published in 1999, damn, why is this book selling so well? It's probably by a big time publisher, I would assume. Yeah, it's by Holiday House. It's not self-published, so it's got great distribution around the world, probably with schools and various academic places. But yeah. So this is an outlier, but still, that's not to say that there is not money to be made here. Again, $5.99 paperback, sells really well. Granted, again, it's not self-published; it's by HarperCollins, but you can kind of get the trend here that so long as you get visibility for your keyword, again, you can either try to do it the organic way by getting your book ranked with all the reviews and stuff. Or you can just pay for a sponsored listing so you show up right at the top for the search result about books about bats for kids. So that's what I would likely do. There is some Mexican music going on outside. I think there's construction going on in my complex, and they like to blast that music. Anyway, so yeah, I don't need to really go through the whole first page to convince you that there's great traction for sales, that there's customer demand for these books. I mean, again, 24-page book. This one has no reviews, 0 reviews, and it still manages to sell about 1 every 2 days or so. So yeah, that's going to probably be it. Now, as far as how to be profitable with this keyword, because it's purely illustrated for a keyword like this. What is going on here? Why is this? Oh, okay, it's the book size. All right. You're going to have to get illustrations, okay? This is not text-based. So find someone on Upwork. Find someone who is a freelancer that can do illustrations for your book. And make sure that they're good illustrations. Don't find someone on Fiverr that's going to suck. So that's number 1. Number 2, you need visibility for your keyword. So I am the biggest proponent, or one of the biggest proponents, of using advertising by Amazon. Pay for ads. Pay to have your book shown at the top of a search result. you're missing out on sales just because you don't have visibility for your book. Whereas now you can literally pay for that and not have to worry about it. So pay for ads to get on the top of the search result. And second, as we saw, book length doesn't really matter. Again, we saw books that had an average of 24 pages, 30 pages. All you have to do is get some good illustrations together, maybe some interesting stuff about bats, slap it into a book, and there you go. So this one's not super complicated. Otherwise, I would just say, be aware of the price. You can't price this too high. So, books starting out from $5.99 to what I can see here is $9.13 being the highest that sells. So I would price mine at maybe $7.99, maybe $8.99, maybe even $9.13. Just play around. There's really no money to be made selling your book at $5.99. So I would suggest personally $7.99 as a starting price point and play on from there. So that's about it, guys. Super basic, but I want you to realize also that Kindle publishing, of all the business opportunities you can find online, is checkers. Okay, it's a simple game to understand. It's a simple game to play. Other opportunities like Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, that's chess. That is a much more difficult game. Different mechanics. It's got the same overall principles as Kindle publishing with how to get your product selling. You need visibility, you need customer demand, you need to have differentiating factors. But there's more things to consider there, like white labeling, packaging, the shipping, a lot of other stuff that I'm not going to talk about. So just realize how simple this business opportunity is and play it like a simple game. We came up with 3 factors to decide that this was worth our time. Number 1, there's customer demand. Number 2, it's going to be relatively easy to get visibility for this keyword. All you have to do is run an ad. And number 3, the competition is not overwhelming. Okay, so there's no one that's going to have a 400-page fucking book about everything to do with bats that's going to beat your ass. So you have a chance to make money here. So again, keep it simple, guys. Just know what criteria to follow and follow it to a T. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to answer whatever questions or concerns, inquiries you have. Otherwise, subscribe, watch us for the next videos coming up, and I will see you later. Bye.